Now, my dear students, come to page number 27 of Munawwar Publisher Academic Grade 1 book. This is exercise of page number 27, section A, oral communication skill. Number 1 question is, read the given words aloud. Yes, so read with me everyone. Listen to me first and say after me. Song, bus, sea, right, sun, wish, clap, tap, map, splendid effort. So you have to read at home or with your teacher as well. Very nice effort. Page number 27, exercise 2. Read the given words aloud and encircle the words that end with the same ending sound. So they are the rhyming words of something like this. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. तो star और are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. High and sky. सही, ये सारे हमारे पास वर्ड्स हैं जो हमने सेम साउंड्स के साथ इनको मैच करना है. इन सारे वर्ड्स में हमने राइमिंग वर्ड्स और एक जैसी आवाज़ों के लफ्ज़ों को सेम एंडिंग साउंड को ढूंढ कर निकाल के रीड करना है. अगर हो सके तो इनको कॉपी में भी लिखा जा सकता है. लुक एट द वर्ड्स. फ्लावर, वेदर, friend, star, girl, work, tower, moon. एक मैं आपको करके दूंगी और बाकी आप खुद ढूंढ के निकालें क्या इसमें मौजूद है कि नहीं. Flower, yes. Tower. So rest you can do by yourself. Come to exercise B of page number 27, reading and critical thinking skills. जी जनाब, अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपने इस चैप्टर को कितना गौर से सुना है. अब हम इसमें से क्वेश्चंस आंसर करेंगे. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. अगर आपसे कुछ भूल गया है तो इस लेसन को दोबारा रीड करें और दोबारा से आप इसको जब थिंक करेंगे और उसको सोचेंगे तो आपको आंसर्स देना आसान हो जाएगा. Number 1. What do families eat on Eid to celebrate? Families ईद के दिन क्या खाकर ये खुशी मनाते हैं? जी बिल्कुल सही. मैंने आपको थोड़े दिन पहले कहा था कि हम क्या क्या करते हैं. हम सेवइयाँ खाते हैं, मिठाइयाँ खाते हैं. You have to make them into English or translate them into English. Number 2. What does Eid al-Fitr teach the Muslims? ईद उल फितर हमारे मुसलमानों को क्या सिखाता है? जी बिल्कुल सही कहा. आप अपने टीचर के साथ मिलकर या अपने दोस्तों के साथ मिलकर इसका आंसर खुद ढूंढें. What will you do on this Eid? और आप इस ईद पर क्या करने वाले हैं? जी जनाब, मेरी तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ हैं और मैं तो अभी भी बहुत बच्चों की तरह खुश होती हूँ. अब देखते हैं आप क्या करने वाले हैं. Do discuss it with me. Section B, exercise number 2 of page number 27, chapter number 6. Encircle the correct option for each statement. Number 1. The Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on 1st of dash. क्या? Muharram, Shawwal, Safar, Shaban. Very nice. Option B. On Eid al-Fitr, the Muslim give dash to the poor. A. Clothes, B. Gifts, C. Alms, and आर्म्स भी कहते हैं और एल्म्स भी कहते हैं. और डी लोन. तो क्या हम कपड़े देते हैं, गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, ज़कात देते हैं या लोन देते हैं? तो जनाब क्या देते हैं? यस, ऑप्शन नंबर सी. पीपल सेलिब्रेट ईद उल फितर टू बी. A option is playful, B kind and caring, C is proud and D is sad. तो ये वाला जो ऑप्शन है ये आपने खुद करना है, मैं नहीं बताने वाली. अब मुझे पता है आपको आता है. वेरी गुड. Welcome back to page number 28 of chapter number 6 of Munawwar Publisher Academic Grade 1 book. Now look at that. This is very exciting. Can you see what is this? Yes, this is a calendar and always be on my table. Read the given calendar. Let's read these months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Am I correct? Yes. They are asking few of the questions. Let's see what is in the exercise. 2. Look at the above calendar and answer these questions. What month is this? This is the month of June. Yes, they have marked here June, June. So, question number 2. Look at the month of August and encircle the date of Independence Day of Pakistan. Find out in the calendar of the month of August and mark your Independence Day of Pakistan. So tell me, when do we celebrate it? Yes, it is 14th of August. Very nice. Question number 3. How many days are there in the month of June? Yes, you can see that. Yes, there are 30 days in a month. Number 4. Which month has least number of days? Now this is your duty to find it out. How many days of month which have the least number of days? So you can open the calendar and find out at the end of every month. Rather they are 30 or 31 or 29 or 28 are the least numbers. So find by yourself. Now dear students, come to exercise number C of page number 28. Formal and lexical aspects of language and a grammar structure. Yes, they are ordinal numbers. आपको पता है ordinal numbers क्या होते हैं? आप जब स्कूल में पोजीशन लेते हैं तो आपको कहा जाता है कि ये बच्चा फर्स्ट आया है, ये सेकंड है, ये थर्ड है. हम 1 2 3 नहीं कहते कि बच्चा 1 आया है, ये 2 आया है या 3 आया है, बल्कि हम फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ यूज़ करते हैं और उन नंबर्स को ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स कहते हैं क्योंकि वो ऑर्डर में होते हैं. तो लेट्स रीड इन अ येलो कैप्शन. Ordinal numbers tell about the position of something in a list. Got it? Number 1. Read the given ordinal numbers. So say it aloud. First. देखिए ये ऐसे लिखा जाता है 1 के साथ ST. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. So that's great. Now repeat it after me and practice with your teacher. Dear students, come to page number 29 of Munawwar Publisher Academic Book 1, exercise number 2. In the following pictures, look a left to right positions carefully and write their ordinal number. जी ये तो बहुत ही मजे की एक्सरसाइज है. I feel fun to do that. अब आप इस पिक्चर नंबर 1 को गौर से देखें और इसमें कुछ बॉयज खड़े हैं. जी अब ये हमसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं और आपने ये सवाल बहुत गौर से सुनना है और इसको आंसर करना है. The boy wearing yellow shirt is standing on the dash position. Dear students, can you see what is the position of the boy of the yellow shirt? Very good. Third. Great answer. Likewise, you're supposed to do rest of the pictures as well. Now come to page number 29 in next exercise. Article a and an. As you know, articles are a is used with the singular noun that begins with the consonant sound and article an is used with the singular noun that begins with the vowel sounds. Do you know what are vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest of the letters are, which are 21, are the consonants. So read and given sentences. This is a book. These are books. I have a pet cat. I have pet cats. Can you see that when there is a singular noun like book, cat, we put the a or an. And if it is with plurals, so we do not put a or an with or articles with plural nouns. He is reading a story. He is reading stories. Page number 29, exercise 3. What do you see in the pictures? Fill in the blanks with the article a and an. I'll do one for you and rest you will do. Pictures are boy, elephant, dog, owl, squirrel, and man. So the first word is boy and the letter is consonant B. So it is not a vowel nor A-E-I-O-U. So you have to write a boy. Hello dear students. Now come to page number 30. Question number 4. Put the articles a or an where required and rewrite the sentences. So I have bird. So what you will write? I have a bird. So now rest of these exercise, this is a peacock. She is eating mango. You have to write a or an article with that by yourself. So you can do it with your help of your teacher. Page number 30, exercise D, writing skill. Got it? Exercise 1, D का one part है. Trace and rewrite these sentences by using correct capitalization and punctuation. So you have to rewrite on the dots, like I have a book, you have to write or like trace the sentence. But on the next line, you can see I have a book, I will be capital, have a book. So that sentence is finished. So you have to stop the sentence by putting a full stop on that. So I have a book, and rest you can do. So dear students, I will not tell you each and every exercise or box of the lesson, because that will not make you independent if you just keep telling you all the exercises. Dear students, Section 2 में write a few short sentences in your book describing your basic personal information. आपने अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ या अपनी बड़े के साथ या अपनी टीचर के साथ अपनी नोटबुक के अंदर अपनी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है, जिसमें आपका नाम, आपकी ज़ुबान यानी कौन सी लैंग्वेज आप बोलते हैं, आपकी एज, आपकी फेवरेट थिंग्स, आपकी पर्सनल हॉबीज़, सही है, और आपकी जो बेसिक इंटरेस्ट्स हैं या होमवर्क करने का स्टाइल या आपके फ्रेंड्स जो हैं उसके बारे में आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है और खुद से कुछ सेंटेंसेस 4 to 5 लिखने हैं. Let's proceed further. This is exercise 3 on page 30E. Ethical and social development. Look at the given picture and tell in your own words what do you understand of the situation. देखें, this is called the picture description and you have to define that what is the scenery, how the scene look like, what is the situation, how many characters are there, who is standing with the tree, and of which age the people are there, what is a small boy trying to do. So all these can make a big story of that. So make the story or a few sentences regarding the situation. So do it with the help of your elder or the teacher. Thank you so much, and that's all from now. Allah Hafiz and Eid Mubarak.